Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying exact Surface RT hardware and that it uses the ARM-based Windows RT platform. This matters because only ARM builds will run. Once confirmed, back up your data to an external drive or cloud so nothing is lost. Make sure the device has at least half battery and stays plugged in. Also connect to a stable network. Now download required tools on another PC, the UEFI flasher, WOA installer, and a compatible Windows 10 ARM image, so you can begin the transfer. Next, you will build the installer on a separate computer because Surface RT cannot natively run desktop Windows tools. Create a FAT32 USB of at least 16 GB and copy the Windows 10 ARM. FFU image plus WOA deployer files. Extract and include the specific Surface RT UEFI flasher and the hardware drivers for touchscreen, GPU, and wireless. If drivers are missing, the device may not boot properly. Once copied, verify checksums and safely eject the USB. This is the image you'll flash to the tablet. Now boot the Surface into UEFI by holding volume up with power, enable USB boot, and where applicable, disable secure boot. Plug the prepared USB and use the UEFI flasher tool to prepare storage, then run the WOA deployer sequence to flash the FFU image. Follow prompts patiently and do not interrupt power. Once Windows 10 ARM boots, immediately install the extracted device drivers and run Windows Update to finalize firmware and driver patches. If the device hangs, recheck USB image and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.